Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 21st, 2024. Taking a look at our observations this morning, you can see where the low clouds and fog are hanging around, as that is where the temperatures are the coolest in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Where we are seeing rapid clearing, temperatures are rapidly rising to the mid 60s and even into the lower 70s in portions of eastern Pennsylvania already. Winds are coming in from the southwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. When you take a look at our surface map and radar from WeatherTap, you can see high pressure is basically sitting over the region or just over our coastal waters, setting up a tranquil day of weather once again. Taking a look at the visible satellite pictures. You can see the low clouds here starting to burn away. Now you see how they're kind of melting. What's happening here is that in the early morning hours when it's cool out, you get this inversion because the mid levels are a little bit warmer. So as a result, you get these low clouds because of all the low level moisture in the atmosphere. But as the sun rises and the atmosphere warms and we start to get mixing in the atmosphere, these low clouds melt away. And as they melt away, our temperatures begin to spike. So again, note where the low clouds are going away. This is where we have our cooler temperatures. And then you can see where we don't have those low clouds, temperatures are warming up pretty quickly through the mid 60s and into the 70s. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, this feature is going to remain to our north, not really a threat for us at all. Continue on with high pressure and control. This feature will lift up into Canada, but the trailing cold front associated with this low pressure system will move through on Thursday and introduce the start of an unsettled weather pattern just in time for the Memorial Day weekend. Yes, I know. Once again, another weekend with the threat of rain, but it won't be a washout, at least most of the weekend at the very least. And I'm going to tell you the best day to have an outdoor gathering. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressures in control, tranquil conditions, temperatures rising into the mid 60s to lower 70s on Long Island, lower to mid 70s along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s away from the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, again, low clouds, a little bit of fog, sky cloud cover, winds from the southwest around 5 miles per hour. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, increasing cloud cover but remaining dry. Look for high temperatures in the upper 60s to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s everywhere else. On Thursday, a cold front moves through. Now, we'll get a prefrontal trough that moves through in the morning hours with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. And then we get the cold front moving through in the afternoon with additional threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Most of these thunderstorms will remain below severe levels, a little bit of rumble, thunder, heavy downpour, but a few isolated thunderstorms could reach severe levels with what we call downburst wind gusts, which essentially supports wind gusts over 55 miles per hour. So we'll have to keep an eye on that for a few isolated cells. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and over the interior, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, the cold front basically stalls out and basically begins to wash out as a very weak boundary, but enough of a boundary to support a mix of sun and clouds and a few scattered showers, especially down towards southern New Jersey. Could be an isolated thunderstorm with that as well. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Saturday, frontal boundary hanging around the region, threat for a few isolated to widely scattered showers, otherwise a mix of sun and clouds. Again, not a washout, but certainly a bit of a pest with some of these showers hanging around the area. Look for low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior and in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the region. On Sunday, this is going to be your best day for outdoor activities. Sky cloud cover. I still can't rule out an isolated shower, but it's going to be the lowest of all the days in terms of percentage. So Sunday will feature mid 50s to lower 60s for lows, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, And I'm sorry, should I say upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and mid to upper 70s everywhere else. Now, on Monday, on Memorial Day, we have an area of low pressure approaching the region. There is some debate on just how vigorous this low pressure will be. So, for right now, we're going to go with scattered showers, but not exactly the best day for outdoor activities as it stands right now. But this looks a little bit overdone. Some of the ensemble guidance has this a little bit weaker and the forcing focus a little bit more towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. So, we're going to go with scattered showers with low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and over the interior, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, of course, once we all get back to work, look for scattered cloud cover with only an isolated shower possible in the morning hours. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s along the coast and over the interior, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.